Hello guys, my app name is Suraksha. In this app, we can find the crowd detection based upon the locations. We can use, for example, if you are going for a supermarket, you need to know if there is a crowd in the supermarket by using this app. With the help of the geolocation, with the use of using these apps, the location of the users is sent to cloud and stored in a database. And in this, there are only one authenticate way to enter this app is Aadhaar card. You scan this Aadhaar card through the QR code scanner from this. As you can see here, the details of Aadhaar card has been given. When you press the QR code scan for Aadhaar, it will open the QR code scanner. And if you scan this, in right corner it shows the green button, which means the QR code has been scanned and the detail has been filled here according to our requirement. And if you can't want to also upload the profile picture, simply click these buttons. And for everything you need to give permissions. Like now, for example, I am now uploading this meme page, and I as usual you need authentication. So for the authentication, we are entering the mobile number. Here I done my mobile number, and as usual we need to submit that. Before submitting, you need to see that there is a location based on the coordinates. This is done for registered, where you registered your account, and that has been noted. When you click submit, it shows registered, and give a button for login. In login, as usual, the same way to log in this app also by using Aadhaar card. It is only authenticated way. Why using Aadhaar card means, with Aadhaar card there is no fake details first of all, and moreover it is secured. It is already authenticated, so no more repeated data or no more repeated accounts. You just scan the Aadhaar again. Just click that. Scan the Aadhaar card. Once you scan, same as it shows green and the details has been filled. You need to enter the mobile number which you entered for registration, like this. And you see, the latitude and location of location also means get from the user when at the time of login. So once you log in, if it's verified, when we click the login button, once it's verified, it goes to the map activity. In map activity, we need to select the location. Here I am selected Jolly Creations. When we click select, it goes to the page which will displays the how much the crowd present in that location. In here, the location present here is 0 members, where there is no one present in that place location, as well as geofencing. Thank you.